How far can you throw a freaking Android head unit? But before we do that, let's see if this thing works. Oh, wait. Alright, looks like everything powered up just fine. I mean, it looks nice and everything, but I wish the damn thing would fit. But so far, I mean, looks like it works. Let me set everything up and we'll be right back. One thing that I got excited about this Android head unit was the integration of Apple Carplay. But I got it to work, but after about 5 minutes, it would just go to this little waiting thing. Oh, there it goes. Now it finally works. But it would cut in and out when it comes to Apple CarPlay, and it's really frustrating. All right, let's play a track. Hopefully it doesn't cut out on me this time. So I know there's quite a few of you guys out there. Did any of you guys have any fitment issues when it comes to this head unit from iDoing? I don't know, for some reason I just can't get it to fit very well. Also, do you have any issues with your Apple CarPlay cutting in and out when it comes to that Z-Link app? I don't know, that's really frustrating. That not working correctly is going to be a deal breaker for me. So hopefully I don't have any issues. If there's any updates, you have any tips or tricks for me when it comes to this Android head unit, please comment down below. I am not the smartest when it comes to these Android head units. See, there it goes. I was in the middle of playing a track and then it just jumps to this, just waiting. I didn't touch the phone, anything. I'm using, a stock freaking Apple cable. I don't know what the hell's going on. Now it's going to stay like this for I don't know how long. Still not working. Been here for about 10 minutes. Still says waiting. So I think I'm at a point where I'm just going to have to call it quits. I've tried everything here. I've tried all the USB ports. The USB or the Bluetooth is not connected. I restarted my phone. Everything, you name it. I just can't get Apple CarPlay to show up again. It was working fine just a minute ago, and then it went to this screen, and then it won't connect again. So I don't know. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, please comment down below. But in the meantime, I'm going to put my stock head unit back in, and I don't know if I'm gonna throw this head unit across the street, but we will see. All right, so here we are gonna go on a little POV drive, and I realized this the other night that I never gave you guys a POV drive of the new setup, new engine, new turbo, etc., new tune, which is not final, by the way. Of course, as you guys know, for those of you that follow me, I'm still waiting for the fuel system to be purchased and installed so I can make some actual power instead of the 380 wheel horsepower that I ended up with when I was at Steve's place when I was getting tuned, which unfortunately that AM 340 just isn't flowing enough fuel as it should. And I know some of you guys out there have commented that you guys also have the AM 340 and you are making a lot more power than I have. But I don't know, there's something wrong with this fuel pump, and you know, it is what it is. I already have another fuel pump on hand. I'm just waiting to install it. I'm actually going to install it pretty soon, but I'm still at a full tank, so I don't want to take out the fuel pump assembly with a full tank of gas, and it's just going to create a mess. So I'll do that once I get to about a half tank of gas. But anyways, reason probably why you're watching this, I'm just here to let you guys know that the car runs absolutely phenomenal. No issues with it whatsoever. More on the gauges in a separate video. I have some mixed opinions about them, but just be sure to check it out, because these gauges, I think, they're pretty cheap. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know about the accuracy of them, to be honest with you. You just open the window because the weather is absolutely great right now. 73 degrees is what we are talking about. You guys also said, hey, do more videos with Josh. Josh lives 5 hours away. I wish we could, otherwise we'd be doing a lot more videos together. But car is still kind of cold. Actually, no, it's warm now. Love the way the exhaust sounds. I do get a lot of pops and bangs. There is no burble tune on this. Steve doesn't do those burble tunes, so if you get a tune from him, don't even ask. He'll probably rip your head out. I don't know if he will or not, I'm just saying. But yeah, the car runs absolutely great. So I'm just gonna shut up and we're just gonna enjoy the drive here on this nice 70-degree day. Absolutely perfect. I have to go to Home Depot to pick up some stuff, to do some home work. Not homework, but do some house chores. Blades, trim trees, trim bushes, all that good stuff. Stuff that you guys probably are not interested in. Driving on a nice sunny day, I bet you some douchebag is going to try to race me. Which is great. You put it out in Sport Sharp, just in case. I am not in the mood for any of that crap today, just being honest. Can't see. Oh my god, the sun's just blazing in my eyes. When the sun just hits you in the right spot, you can barely see out the window. God, I love that. Tires are cold. I usually don't romp on the car that much, but since I am filming, I'll do it for you guys. I just drive the car normally. You're rolling it. God, that was a loud pop. Oh my God, that freaking feels good. Oh my God. Wow, the car's running really strong right now. Wow. Okay, I'll take that. I didn't have my camera on. That Golf just raced me. Okay. Alright, dude. I don't know if he's upset or not, but yeah. Hopefully the dash cam caught that footage, so I took my... As soon as I stopped the GoPro footage, things happen. Okay. Like I said, someone's gonna try to race me. That's enough for the car. The car's been doing very well, except for that fuel pump. Cool. He just came up on me and just said, hey, what's up? Okay, whatever. Mind if I do? So just got back from the store, and of course had to stop by Arby's, get me a beef and cheddar. Haven't had one of these in a while. Put the keys over there, drove the Miata, and we got the Milwaukee right angle impact, up to 220 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. That's right. Wow. Now, seeing the videos of this, I thought this would be a lot bigger. This little head, it is kind of huge though. I'm not gonna lie to you, but wow, this is pretty dang cool. Let me get my one that I just got yesterday, the Surge version, whatever the hell you call this, the 1/4 inch hex impact. Let's give this a little whip. Oh yeah, check that out. It's got 4 modes: slow, medium, fast, and whatever that mode is. Awesome. Hopefully these will break lug nuts, but we will see. But yeah, I wanted a right angle impact, so this will get me into tight spaces if I need to bust a nut. That's kind of, where I can't get one of these into, or a ratchet into. I can just boop, bust it loose, and then we're done. Yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. Kind of an impulse buy, not gonna lie. Saw a lot of rave reviews on this online, and I figured I might as well pick one up. It's cool. It's got a little light on there too. It's awesome. But yeah, cool. Quick tool kind of unboxing, first impressions, but yeah, this is awesome. There you go.